Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Brevo. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Brevo you can create new contacts and set up mailings for them. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the data source system, TikTok. Now select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Brevo, Add Contacts. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, we need to connect the Brevo account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your Brevo personal account. Next, go to the Profile Settings, SMTP API section. Now go to the API Keys tab. After that, click Generate a new API key. Specify a name for the new key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need a list to which new contacts will be added. Now, you see the Brevo fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Brevo in the form of new contacts for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. To check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Brevo. After successful sending, go to Brevo and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly sent to Brevo as new contacts, you need to enable auto update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.